Welcome to McNally Motors Longford. My name is Stephen. New stock just in, we have the 2019 Toyota Corolla. It's a hybrid Luna. Hybrid car is half petrol, half electric. It's a 1.8 hybrid engine. This car is Luna spec. It comes with alloy wheels, front fog lights, LED daytime running lights. It's finished in celestite grey metallic paint. Bodywork is perfect. This car has just been serviced. It comes with a 12-month warranty and finance options are available. Around the rear we have a reverse camera, good big boot. Inside the rear of the car we have ISO fixed points, we have a centre armrest with cup holders, electric windows all around. Inside the front of the car, hybrid Toyotas are all automatic. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen stereo, with reverse camera built in. Also has driving features such as cruise control, lane departure alert, pre-collision sensor, speed limit assist, multifunction steering wheel, automatic lights, automatic headlights, air conditioning, climate control, Bluetooth. Lots of features on the Corolla. This car is ready to test drive here at McNally Motors now. For more information or to book a test drive, just give us a call on 043 33 456 21. Thank you.